Welcome to SumTime06. In this unit, there are plenty of problems. We're going to pick and choose from here and there. Problem number 2. Which number should come next? 64, 16, 4, 1. Let's look at the first two numbers, 64 and 16. Can you see any relationship? How many times can you divide 16 into 64? 1 times 16 is 16. 2 times 16 is 32. 3 times 16 is 48. And 4 times 16 is 64. So if we divide 64 by 4, we get 16. Let's try dividing 16 by 4. And what do we get? 4. Let's divide 4 by 4. What do we get? 1. Now then, if you divide 1 by 4, what do you get? The answer is a quarter. So now we have the series 64, 16, 4, 1, and 1/4. Problem 4. Can you find the pattern for the next 4 numbers? 0, 3, 1, -2, -6, -3, -1, -4, -12. Whew, that doesn't seem to be very easy. But here's a clue. You will need to add, subtract, multiply and divide by a certain number in a certain order to solve this problem. Aha! Now it's not so difficult. Look at the first two. 0 and 3. Well, 0 plus 3 is 3. Now let's look at numbers 2 and 3. We have 3 and 1. Well, if we divide 3 by 3, we get 1. So now we've used add and divide. 1 and -2. Aha! We only have multiply and subtract left. So if we subtract 3 from 1, we get -2. So first we added, then we divided, then we subtracted, and now we multiply. If we multiply -2 by 3, we get -6. Now it's time to add again. -6 plus 3 is -3. -3 divided by 3 is -1. If we subtract 3 from -1, we get -4. And if we multiply -4 by 3, we get -12. Now, if we add 3 to -12, what do we get? Well, I'll leave it up to you.